So HCS Medical Solutions, they sent this to us. It's a reusable hot and cold gel pack. And the 2-pack is perfect because what you can do is you can keep one in the freezer at the ready and then one available to microwave if you need hot. So you could use it for hot or cold, because what you do is you just, for hot, you just put it in the microwave, and for cold, you just leave it in the freezer for a few minutes. And they sent this an assortment of their comfort and healing packets, so that they come in different sizes and hot and cold and all that different stuff, but they sent that to us so we could show it to you. And this is their hot and cold gel pack, and it is reusable, and you can see it's really flexible, so it could go around your neck or your shoulder or your arm or anything like that. It doesn't have to be. Some of them, when they get all frozen and stuff, they're not flexible anymore, but even when it's frozen, this one is still very flexible. But don't open it up. Don't open it, because you don't want to get all those chemicals and stuff out of there. But they got instructions right on the back on how to use them. Ta-da! And use a towel. Don't apply it directly to your skin. But yeah, good stuff. You get about 45 minutes of relief when you get it all cooled off. So good stuff. Thanks for sending that.